guys, it's Sonya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then definitely hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, then hit the notification bell to be notified when I post next. Today is super special because I will be doing an unboxing for you guys. I've never done an unboxing before, so pretty excited. The two packages that I'll be unboxing for you is one by Mossi Organics and this one, which is by FOLLAIN. I really love the packaging that it comes in. It's super cute. What this is an eyelash serum. It's all organic products. They're cruelty-free and vegan, so it's like right up my alley. Let me try to open this. Okay, gonna need my scissors. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little card. Okay, let's read it. So it says, Sonya, thank you so much for trying out Mossi Organics. I'm so excited to hear your feedback. Hope you love it as much as I do. XOXO Lauren. And you guys, my friend Lauren, she started her eyelash serum company, so this is her company and this is super exciting. So congratulations, Lauren. I'm so honored to try out your products, and it can also be used on your eyebrows, which is perfect because I'm trying to grow these babies out and I need me a good serum. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. Yay, I'm really excited to try this. So it's in like an eyelash applicator wand, and you just run this through your eyelashes once and also your eyebrows. So thank you, Lauren. If you guys are interested in this all organic oils and cruelty-free vegan eyelash serum, then head on over to her Etsy account. I'll link it down below so you can try this out as well. FOLLAIN is the next package that I'm going to open up for you guys, and this company is a website that has all clean beauty and skincare products. So all of their products go through a 5-step approval process. So there's like 0 toxins, it's all cruelty-free, and I'm pretty sure most of their stuff is vegan. So I actually found out about this company from one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Ellen Fisher. She's like this vegan woman and she has a vegan family. They're just complete goals. They live in Hawaii and I'm completely obsessed with her. So I found out about FOLLAIN through her video that she recently made, and she has a link, and I'll link it down below. For the first 750 people that click the link, you can get this entire package for $18 with free shipping, but it's only open to US customers only. This is the Clean Essentials Starter Kit. This is what it looks like. I always wanted to purchase some natural products, but I just didn't know where to start, and I think this starter kit is perfect, especially for anyone who doesn't really know like what to buy. So I'm gonna open it up for you. I'm super excited for this. Oh my god. Is it this one? Yes. Okay, so this is the Osei. I'm pretty sure I'm saying it right. It's an ocean cleanser, but this is for dry, normal, combo skin, and it's a mineral-rich gel cleanser with algae, vitamin E, and lactic acid. It gently exfoliates and removes makeup. So this is like a perfect, non-toxic, 100% vegan and cruelty-free makeup or face wash cleanser, I guess. Let me take this box out of the way. But it smells really good. So you get this, and this is 6 fluid ounces. And then let's see what this other one is. Okay, so this one is a 100% toxin-free hand and body dish counter dog delicates kid and everything soap. So I guess this is just soap. It's pretty cool. Oh, it smells amazing. So I guess this is one of their products, FOLLAIN, because it says FOLLAIN.com on the back. And then you get this Ursa Major Golden Hour Recovery Cream. So there's that. Let's open this up and smell it. Oh yeah, it smells so good.
Is it just me, or did that get really sexual? Okay, moving on.
Yum! You also get this Indie Lee COQ10 toner. So it's paraben free, phthalate free and cruelty free. I don't know how to pronounce that, but let's see. Doesn't really have a scent. Let me just spray it so I can smell it. Oh yes. Yeah, I'll spray this all over me.
Oh yeah, that's it. Oh God. Oh, oh, oh yeah. 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 Yes. Yes.
This smells amazing. Okay, so you get these 4 things for $18 if you click that link down below and help out Ellen Fisher. The product that I'm most excited about trying is this by Osea. Like, I've heard so many good things about this and I'm really excited for this product. Don't forget to check out Mossi Organics if you guys want long, beautiful eyelashes, because I love me some long lashes. I don't really wear eyeliner too much, so my eyelashes are very important, so I'm definitely gonna try this out. So that's it for this unboxing. If you guys are thinking about transitioning to clean beauty and skincare, then give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below a holy grail item that you love that's natural, 100% vegan and organic, and let me know in the comments by telling me what that product is. Don't forget to turn on my post notifications, and if you do, make sure you comment down below and tell me that you did so you can be in next week's shout out. This week's shout out is gonna go to Supernova Jazz. I'm pretty sure her YouTube channel is Shift to Culture now, so definitely check her out. Thank you so much for watching my videos, babe. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.